Welcome to Send It, Building Distance and Direction for Treibball with me, Melissa Breau. A little bit of backstory before we get started. So when I got my first dog as an adult back in 2012, my original dog sports goal was to compete with her in obedience. But the reality of the dog that was in front of me at the time was that she needed a sport that would allow for a lot more movement and that would be willing to kind of accommodate the mild but still there reactivity that she was demonstrating at the time. So this is her first run, and kind of what we're looking at here is a standard size novice field. Kyla is in the goal. In front of that goal is what's called the handler's area, clearly marked out by cones. In order to help teams prepare to play Treibball as a sport, they've broken the skills that you need out into skill certificates. So 3 skills, each with 3 levels of certificate. For the Send Skills certificate, there are 2 factors that change as we work our way from level 1 to level 3. There's the distance between the distance that the ball or the object is away from the handler, and the total amount of time that you have to complete the skills. As we move through the directional skills certificates, things build a little more. So as we go from level 1 to level 2, we go from 2 objects to 3 objects, requiring that the dog pause at each one, moving in the same direction, and then repeating that in reverse.